Hello. Well, today we gotta see if we can get the Tahoe running. It's having issues starting. I think the starter wire is loose. I don't want to go outside though. It's got to be 100 and something. It's noon, Saturday. Let's see. Oh yeah. Like 105. Okay, let's see if we can do this before it's 113 or 14. Probably not under there enough. Okay. Well, let's do the battery first. Disconnect. Nubs. Whew, it's hot. Okay, pause E first. Then whoa. Negative first. Okay. And nickel diff. Got that bad boy up. Cool. Okay, go down under. Don't know even what size I need more. 116s, 12 8s, 916. If that works. Can't see. Watch wires go to the, oh, right here, huh? Oh, yeah, it's a little loose. Okay, give me a flashlight. Where's my flashlight, buddy? Eh. Okay. Damn, I'm not weighing that much, but I guess I got to lose some more weight. That's like pretty low too. Ooh, hot. Really? Man. Not working. I'm gonna go find some batteries and handle it. Okay, let's go check it out. Okay, now get up in there. Okay, okay. Hey, you know what? That's why. Son of a gun. Well, the nut's missing on the solenoid. And that is why I found problems. Shoot. I'm gonna find out what size nut that is now. Oh boy. Oh me, oh my. Okay, well. No, it's time to investigate. Shoot. I was hoping it was this loose. It's loose, alright. Well, the nut's gone. So we'll go see if we can find a nut. Okay, it's way hot. We're gonna go back inside. It's like 105. Go see if I can investigate what size nut is on General Motors starter. Check you out when I get it fixed.